We know that attending tutorials can make a difference to student success, but many students face barriers to joining online sessions, often due to mental health challenges, anxiety, sensory overload, or confidence issues. This project explores whether quiet tutorials are helpful for students on U116, a Level 1 Interdisciplinary Environment module. The idea builds on quiet hours and relaxed performances in public spaces, as well as earlier work on relaxed tutorials in classical studies. In a U116 quiet tutorial, students don't have to speak or use their camera, the sessions aren't recorded, there are no breakout rooms, and regular breaks are included. We piloted these tutorials in the 25B and 25J presentations to encourage students with mental health issues, autism, or anxiety to attend. Our aim is to reduce tutorial anxiety and to help address the pass awarding gap for students with declared mental health conditions. To evaluate this pilot, we gathered 69 student survey responses and held focus groups with associate lecturers. Just under half of the surveyed students had attended at least one quiet tutorial, and among those who did, all rated the experience as positive or very positive. Over 80% of the students said that these sessions reduced their anxiety in relation to tutorials. They particularly liked not being called on individually and not being placed in breakout rooms. Many of them also said that the quiet tutorials were more valuable than a recording because they could still ask questions via the chat function. These initial findings suggest that quiet tutorials are valuable for some of our U116 students, and we're now analysing the tutor focus group data. We hope to share more results on that soon. These findings will inform the future U116 tutorial strategy and might also be useful for other STEM modules looking to make their tutorials more accessible.